guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we are unboxing Bullymake Box, and I've got Swifty here, and we're in my living room, so that's a different change of pace. Also, if you could tell by the thumbnail, I have fixed the problem with the flipping words. I know that was like a big thing for a lot of you guys. So anyway, so if you're not familiar with Bullymake Box, it is a monthly subscription box for dogs that love to chew. So if you've got what they consider a power chewer, a large breed dog that just tears through toys, even a small breed dog that tears through toys, this might be a great option for you. It's $39 monthly. They do use only U.S. Sourced and made rubber and nylon for their toys, and plus they have a 14-day money-back guarantee. So not money-back, 14-day guarantee. So basically, if your dog chews through the toy, you let them know and they'll send you a replacement, which is a really nice bonus. So it's $39 monthly. If there's a coupon code, there usually is one. I'll put that down below. I will link to them with my affiliate link. And I will also link to my full review. So this is the January box. One of the really cool things about this box is that they're always like so cute. So every month there's like different, this is not always like the same standard. Every month it's different. Even the packages for the treats. So typically there's 3 treats and 2 toys. They'll put the featured toys on the back, and then you as a member have the ability to go in and buy them at a discount rate. If your dog really likes a certain toy or something, you can buy more or maybe gift your dog's dog friend. All right, so this is the January box. I don't know what's the theme. It looks like a snow theme maybe, because I see some blue. Still have blue. All right, so right on the top here we have the Bullymake chicken tenders. So these look like little jerky bites. Is that upside? No, it's not upside down. That's the way the bag is. And my second daughter's Girl Scout troop is now donating to the ARL, so that's where all of these items will be going. Anything that I don't open, if it's really cute though, I open it on camera and then I just pass it along to a friend, because as you guys know, I don't have a dog. All right, so our first toy for the month is a rubber Kong type. This has the Bullymake logo on it, and it is like a little blue cup. So, and it has a hole for your bully stick or whatever treat or whatever interesting item you want to put in there to get your dog really chewing. It's cute, right? Oh, they're always different shapes. All right, so then we have Bullymake shrimp bites. Oh, they really are shrimp. Let's open it. I want to see it. Oh, here we go. I wonder if they smell like shrimp. Not really. They smell like, I don't know what they smell like. There it is. They look like shrimp though. I mean, little green shrimp. I wonder if my cat would eat one. That's a no from her. Oh no, she ate it. Oh no, I don't know if she can eat it. All right. She's now gonna cry. All right, so next we have their quack sticks. This is a different bag, but I have actually received the quack sticks before. I think these are flavored with duck, or they have duck in them. That's like the #1 ingredient is duck. Another important thing is, like, when you sign up, you'll select the size of your dog, as well as if your dog has any allergies. So they do pay attention to that, and they work with you on that. All right, final item. So this is this is a nylon toy, and it is a hammer, and it says Bullymake. How cute is that? I love it. I love it. It's so cool. Aww. So that is everything that came in the Bullymake box for January. So for $39, you get your rubber toy, your nylon toy, and your 3 dog delicacies right there. So I will, as I said, I will link down below to my full review, then also to Bullymake. I'm afraid my cat is going to knock my light over. And then also to Bullymake with my affiliate link. And I will also, no, that's it. That's all I needed to say. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Like this video if you're happy that we're the right way again.